So guys, I'm off to Ikea today. This is my first time ever vlogging, so I'm like really, I don't know why I'm so nervous, but I'm really nervous to do it. I'm gonna try myself to do it because I have never vlogged anywhere in public before. Like, I've done small vlogs, but like not where I actually talk. Does that make sense? Like, not like a proper vlog. Like, I film things, but like not me talking. Does that make sense? Yeah, I'm kind of nervous. I don't know why I'm so nervous. The one good thing is I have to wear a mask, so like, I don't know why, but I feel like it's gonna be a lot less scary doing it with the mask on. I don't really know. I have to get going because we need to leave literally ASAP, and I've literally been delaying everyone, so yeah. Okay, I'll hopefully see you guys in Ikea. I'll have to check it out and then I won't do it, but I'm gonna try and force myself to do it. But yeah, see you guys in Ikea. We've arrived in Ikea. The queue's like really big, so I'm not gonna vlog much in the queue. I'm gonna try and get it all when I get in. I'm actually so nervous, I don't know why. The mask is definitely helping. I feel a lot better doing it with the mask. That is Vicky, and that is Paul. They're with me.
Your mom.
I said you guys are with me. So I'm in Ikea now, and oh my god, the queue, it wasn't actually that bad. It was like 20 minutes. I'm excited. We've only come to get like small things because I got the majority of stuff from Ikea last year, so hopefully I'll have some good content for you guys. If not, then I'm sorry I've wasted your time, but yeah. That is quite a low table. I think that is literally the lowest table I've ever seen. Try reaching for it.
It's okay, you sit low, you put your cup.
It's quite low. Oh, I love that. Look at those brick walls. They're not even brick, but it's like plastic. It's not plastic. What is it? I don't even know. It feels really weird, but it's really cute. A little window. The sink is so nice. I'm literally so easily fascinated by the smallest things. It reminds me of the dog ottoman from Beauty and the Beast. I love it. If I had to be a chair, which one would I be?
You.
Which one describes me? Do you not know?
That one, 150 pounds, new.
Which one? That one?
Yeah.
I'll take that. That's quite a nice chair, actually. I like that. You'd be... I don't know. You would be... that dark blue one over there. Actually, or this one. Maybe this one.
Which one?
This one.
Green.
I don't know why. Do you not like it? Oh, sorry. Actually, no, maybe this one. You're very garden themed. You like planting and stuff, so that would be a good one. Who would buy a chair like that? I'm sorry, how can you find that comfortable?
I don't know.
This gives me proper New York vibes. I don't know why. Because it's got a little like loft bit, and then it's got a little sitting area. Gordon Ramsay vibes right there. Just imagine this being like your little flat. That's actually so cute.
Yeah, it is cute. Yeah. Bedroom kitchen.
Yeah. It's my name with different writing, but oh, how cute. Is it nice?
I love this box in here.
Right, one day I'm gonna have this desk. I need to rearrange my room, but I'll have it one day with these lights as well. And I'll have this kitchen. I'll have this shoe rack. I think it's a shoe rack. Maybe a prettier one, actually. That's not that nice. I'll have a bathroom that's hopefully nicer than this, but want to take a picture of me sitting in front of it? Yeah. No, it's fine. What, so I can manifest it? This desk. Look at those. Those are so cool.
Huh?
Those ones are like Japanese.
Yeah.
Are they Japanese themed? I might not be right. £75, damn. I don't think I'd ever have it in me to spend £75 on a plant. I don't know if you remember the ugly box that I had over in my room. I have a plan to basically hide it, or just to make it look a lot less ugly. And my plan is to get a plant that hangs over it, but I haven't seen any, so I feel like that plan is going to fail miserably. This plant is bigger than me. That's actually so depressing. That's how small I am. A plant in Ikea is taller than me. That is kind of what I want to do to my box, is just cover it. Just stick it with that. No. I mean, that's not a bad plan, but no. We got them. Even though they're fake.
Well, then you can play games.
Yeah, that's perfect for uni. Get some cars, can bring all my friends around and play. So how would you rate your experience in Ikea today, Mum?
Not as good as it used to be.
They didn't have a lot of stuff.
Couldn't get what I wanted.
So you're a bit upset?
Disappointed maybe a tiny bit. And I was expecting to get my Swedish meatballs, but the restaurant was full.
I know.
You have to book.
So you were upset you didn't get your meatballs?
I didn't get my Swedish meatballs. I'm upset about it.
Yeah. You have to book in to actually eat there, which we had no idea about. So that was kind of annoying because we were all so hungry. I hadn't even had breakfast, but...
I like blueberry juice as well.
Blueberry juice. You're literally a child. Didn't get your meatballs and your juice, you're upset. It's not the end of the world. There is a pandemic going on, so we can't really complain, can we? Yeah. Look, that is just gross. We had a drama, so basically we got to the car, opened the boot and saw that one of the glasses were actually chipped. So we just had to go all the way back in, return it, get a gift card for £2 because the glass is £2, and then we had to go all the way back, find it, then buy it all over again. So we literally, we had to run. You were literally sprinting round. I was so out of breath trying to keep up.
Yeah, mom, it's fit.
Okay, mom. So yeah, we had a bit of a drama. It was a bit stressful. Oh, you can't even see me. It's all sorted now though, and hopefully there are no more chipped glasses. But yeah, that's basically what happened. Yeah. So I'm finally back home. I'm so tired. I didn't have the specific things I wanted, and they didn't have anything similar, so I just kind of left it. Like, I wanted to get like a rug for my room. I wanted to get, what else? A laundry basket. Like, there was a few little things like that that I wanted to get for my new room. But they didn't have anything I liked, and what they did have was quite expensive, so I left it. Hi guys, it's Sophia from the future, just quickly popping in to tell you guys about this really lovely girl who sent me some really cute stuff. She has an Instagram page where she sells loads of nice customizable accessories. So it's called Fabric Fashion. I'm gonna link her Instagram in the description box if you guys are interested to see what she does. She does loads and loads of really nice stuff. I'll just quickly show you some of the stuff that I got. I got a face mask, but I haven't got it with me because it's in my car, but I'll insert a picture of it here somewhere. And then I got this really cute scrunchie. This is so pretty. It's like a satin. It is yellow, but it's like more golden. It's gorgeous. Like, I love it. And I'm pretty sure she makes all of this herself, which is amazing. She also gave me a yellow satin headband, which is so cute. And it sits so comfortably. Like, let me show you. My hair's not brushed, but I love it. And like, you can even get like the little bits of your hair out like from the front here and get them out like kind of like that. It's just so cute. I love it. She has so many of these, and she actually has like a Dior kind of fabric that she uses to make stuff like this. So she does so many different things, and they're so cool and so affordable. So definitely check her out. I'll leave it all linked down below for you guys. I'll let you get on with the video. So I got 2 frames like this to put my prints in, because I don't think I've shown you guys what prints I have. I might show you on this vlog. If not, then watch out, because I'm gonna definitely do a video where I show me putting all this up. And then look at this one. It's massive. I have a really nice print for this actually as well. Then I got, I think, sorry, my bed is a mess by the way, but then I got these artificial plants, which I'm planning on putting up there to make it less ugly. And then I thought it'd be quite nice because I'll have a little area to take nice pictures, because there'll be like leaves hanging down. Honestly, it's so random what I got. Then I got these glasses. I actually had these before for uni last year, but if you've watched my uni advice videos, you would know that I've broken literally all of them. So I bought some more to bring with me to uni, because I love these glasses. Like, the perfect size for like anything really. You can drink alcohol, you can drink normal drinks, like, and they were only £2 each, so yeah. Then I got pillows, because in my last uni accommodation I had a single bed, whereas now I have a double bed, and it's just gonna be so much effort bringing those pillows and then having to bring them back every time I come home. Yeah, that's basically everything. I'm kind of annoyed because I realized I haven't actually stopped somewhere to take a thumbnail, which is really pissed me off, because thumbnails are like the #1 thing that attracts people to your video. So literally nobody's really gonna watch this, which is great. But if you're watching it, thank you, I appreciate it. So that is basically everything for my IKEA vlog and my little mini haul. I'm quite disappointed that I didn't get loads of stuff, but oh well. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this vlog, because if you did, I'll definitely do way more in the future. And yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Please be sure to like and subscribe, because that all does really help my channel. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.